How to use Facebook attribution tool on your Facebook account here on Ads Manager step by step in this video. Now, so follow the video till the end to solve this issue right now. Meta attribution helps you to go beyond last click tracking and see how your market is working. First is access meta attribution. Go to Meta Events Manager, select the Pixel or Conversion API, click the Attribution tab from the left hand menu. Make sure your Metapixel is installed correctly and tracking events like purchase leads, add to cart, etc. Now choose the attribution setting. Click the gear icon or attribution setting to choose. Attribution window the number of days after someone views a click, most common like 7-day a click, 1-day view. You can also test 1-day click or 7-day view. Example, if someone clicks your ad and buys 3 days later, it will still count if you're using a 7-day click window. Analyze attribution performance. You will see a performance broken down by campaign, ad sets, and ads conversion events, attribution method, click versus view. Look at top of the funnel versus bottom of funnel impact, how different placement or device contribute, cross-device behavior, etc. Step 4 is compare attribution models option. Meta lets you compare different models. Last click credit goes to the final ad click. Even credit spread credit across all touch points. Time decay gives more weight to recent click. Position based credit first and last touch heavily. Use this to see how campaign works together over time. The final step is use the data to optimize. Once you know which ad placement or device actually influence conversions, shift budget towards top performing touch points. Optimize creative for devices where users convert. Understand how early stage campaigns contribute to sales. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such amazing video updates and reviews like that.